Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Smartsheet sheet locks and version history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying Smartsheet sheet locks, open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the specific sheet you want to check. Once you are in the desired sheet, locate the File menu at the top left corner of the interface. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, select Properties to access the sheet's properties settings. In the Properties window, look for the Sheet Lock section, which will indicate whether the sheet is locked or unlocked. If the sheet is locked, you will see a notification stating that the sheet is currently locked. Next, you can verify who has access to this lock by checking the Share settings. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Share settings panel where you can see a list of users and their permissions. To check version history, return to the File menu. This time, select Version History from the drop-down options. A new panel will appear, displaying a timeline of all changes made to the sheet. Review the changes to see the dates and details of each version. For further details, you can click on each version to compare with the current one. If necessary, you can also restore a previous version from this panel. By following these steps, you can effectively verify sheet locks and access the version history in Smartsheet. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions to view locking and version history information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.